Hi, I'm Joe with Fleer, and I'm here with the Extech Instruments MA410T clamp meter. The MA410T is a true RMS clamp meter for under $90. At $89.99, this 400 amp AC clamp meter also gives us non-contact voltage detection to detect the presence of live voltage before we go in for a reading. It can measure frequency, resistance, continuity, diode tests, capacitance, temperature with a Type K thermocouple, and current. The MA410T is the best value in clamp meters out there, and it's only from Extech Instruments. Get the Extech advantage.